Hey guys, how are you? Today I'll review the super affiliate system from John Crestani. I personally bought and used John Crestani's super affiliate system, and in this video I will share my personal results as well as walk you through the members area. Watch this video till the end because I'm offering you personal bonuses that will multiply your earnings by 10 times using my done for you system. Before we walk through to the members area, I would like to show you some of my recent earnings from ClickBank. Here you can see I am still earning with the new campaign that I started at $25 per day. I didn't work too much on ClickBank this year, but I will share some of my old results using the super affiliate system. Let's dive into my old paychecks. Here you can check some of my 2021 paychecks. I have made more than $100,000 in 2021. I promoted weight loss offers like weight loss supplements, which are really trending at the moment. You won't believe how fast the ClickBank weight loss supplements are selling. This year is almost finished. I really focused on one product called Metacore, which is based on the Digistore 24 marketplace, and you can see the results. I made 10 times more than I invested in paid campaigns, and the campaigns are still working. Let me know if you want to copy my campaign. I am currently using a different affiliate marketplace to promote their product. In my experience, weight loss offers convert really well into sales. So let's dive into the members area of the super affiliate system. The super affiliate system members area looks like this. Once you access the super affiliate system, you will see the same dashboard like this. So in super affiliate system, you will get 14 special modules. We will briefly discuss each of them one by one, and in a few minutes, I will share my DFY free bonuses for you, which will be 10 times your income. The welcome module is all about introduction. It shows you how to use the members area, how to join and engage with the super affiliate system community, and how to ask questions if any problems arise. In the community, there are many members like you who are active. Within a few hours of asking a question, they receive a personal reply from John Crestani. This is awesome because if you find that you're not getting good results, you can ask your question and John will personally review it. So in Module 1, you will learn how to choose the right affiliate marketplace like ClickBank or Digistore 24. It also helps you find out the right niche for your brand because if you choose the wrong niche, you may not get the results you hope for. As I mentioned earlier, I found success with the weight loss and make money online niche. So after finding the right niche, you will learn how to find the right offer in order to identify the right product. Choosing a random product from any marketplace without any knowledge is a risk for creating a new campaign. In sum, this module teaches you to choose the right product with the right gravity. In Module 2, you learn how to create a sales funnel and how to set up the pre-sale page for your next campaign. The pre-sale page is most important because the pre-sale page catches your audience's attention and informs them about the system or product you want to promote. This page can increase your chances of people clicking your affiliate link and buying it by up to 70%. So this module teaches you step by step how to build a pre-sale page from scratch and teaches you how to create a website in WordPress for the product you would like to promote. Super Affiliate System also gives you some pre-made pre-sale pages to use. You can see the resources menu in your dashboard area. Click on that and you can see a topic on the pre-sale page. You can see a bunch of pre-sale pages are done for you. Just click on any pre-sale page you like and import into your dashboard. You have a couple options here. You can use ClickFunnels or you can do it manually with PHP script to WordPress website. John will teach you how to do that in this module. So after finding your niche and products, and after you are ready with your pre-sale page, now we need traffic to our page, and that comes in module number 3. Module 3 teaches you how to use solo ads in the right way. Module 3 is all about buying solo ads from Udemy. To be transparent, I will show you my Udemy account. It's not important to use Udemy all the time. I prefer to invest in paid ads, which I will show you in a few minutes. I have spent $250 on Udemy and make around $128 and receive around 110 emails. So in these modules, you will get one more solo ads platform like Udemy. In Module 4, the real game starts. Module 4 is all about Google Ads. It teaches you how to set up your Google Ads account from scratch. It also teaches you how to create the right campaign that most of the gurus won't share. In this module, you will learn how to create banner ads. If you visit a website, you might see that some ads are like banners, and it makes a lot of money. For example, look at this website. They have banner ads in random websites where interested people click and buy your product. These ads are shown to the random people who are interested in the same categories, and it will also teach Google search ads. For example, some people have diabetes, and they want to reverse diabetes. So they Google reverse diabetes, and tons of ads show up. You can see that the keyword has a good search volume with low CPC. For example, if you bid on these keywords and you are paying around 40 cents per click, you are spending $50 per week and receiving 100 clicks per week. If your product is above $50, but usually in ClickBank you will get a product above $100 on diabetes niche, you will get at least 5 to 10 sales. So in total, 50 into 10 is 500. So you are in 450 profit. This is the way gurus are making tons of money, but you need to do search ads in the right way. So I will show you one case study with the diabetes product. I have spent $15 per day on search ads. In 3 days, I have spent $45, and you can see the results here. From this, I learned that I should keep running the ads because I've seen it is profitable. The next module, Module 5, is all about YouTube ads. It teaches you how to create a YouTube channel and how to create your first YouTube ad. The best thing about this part is everything is done for you. You have access to pre-made video templates for the YouTube ads, and you will get your ad swipe file for your first campaign, and get your done-for-you pre-sale template that you can use in your ads. I will show you that for 3 days I've been promoting a high-ticket offer from ClickBank using YouTube ads. I spend $25 a day, and you can see I have made $377 only in one sale. I made more than 10 times income with one sale, so you can see how powerful YouTube ads are right now. Module 6 completely changed my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job, and now I live the dream. So Module 6 is all about Facebook ads. I will share my pro tips with you because 70% of my income comes from Facebook ads. I can say I am in the advanced level of Facebook ads. In this module, you will learn how to create your first brand fan page, how to warm up fan page before creating your first affiliate campaign, and how to set up Facebook Pixel to your page. It will also teach you different ways to create your campaign and how to find the right audience and interested parties for your product. There's a ton of material inside this module. You can see in one of my Facebook ads accounts, I follow all the steps and procedures given by John, and here are the results you can see from Digistore 24. I also used ClickBank earlier, and right now I am using ClickBank again because I see lots of potential right over there that actually converts really well at the moment. The drawbacks of Facebook ads is that it's hard to create strong headlines and the best long ads copy that grabs people's attention. It's also hard to adapt the best pre-sale page and the best clickable ads image, so here my bonuses come out. I will give you my current ClickBank weight loss product pre-sale template and ads headline and best head copy that makes me $300,000 and the images that I spend $5,000 on the best designer. So you can just copy all of my ads and paste them into yours. I put the Super Affiliate System link in these video descriptions below. Once you join through my link given in this video description, I will deliver my bonuses. Email me at support@easyprofitformula.com with a receipt of purchase and we will work together. So don't worry about getting banned on Facebook ads. Once you appeal through Messenger, you will get back your account. If Facebook ads are banned, then contact me because I have a trick that helps 95% of my students get back their account. I have put the link in the description below, so if you want to access my bonuses, then you can use that link. Module 7 will teach you how to find your competitor and how to copy their landing page. This module shares with you a secret website to copy their page and turn it into your own page with only one click via WordPress. This is one of my favorite sections. Module 8 teaches you how to get the best copywriting for your pre-sale page or your ads copy without any prior skills or experience. They share tricks for how to get the best done for your swipe file, or you can use the Super Affiliate System pre-made swipe file. Module 9 teaches you how to split tests in Google Ads that help you target which keywords gain you sales and which keywords don't, so you can remove unsuccessful keywords and increase your budget on the keyword from which you're getting your sales. It also teaches you how to track sales on ClickBank. Without tracking anything, you will lose a lot of money because you don't know where the sales are coming from. And it also split tests on Facebook ads as well. Module 10 is for planning your strategy. If you're just spending money on losing ads, then this is not right for you. In this module, they teach how to see your mistakes, check your ads again, find the mistakes, and recreate a new campaign that fixes your previous mistakes. This is the right strategy to make six-figure income on ads. In Module 11, you will learn how to book a personal coach from Super Affiliate System. You can book a coach for free and phone calls where you can ask about your campaign and they will rectify your error. This is a golden opportunity for you. Module 12 teaches you how to analyze your data from your present ads campaign. For example, if you are promoting weight loss offers and you choose 25 to 60-year-old men and women, you can see the age factor really matters in your campaign. Most of the conversion comes from 50 to 60 years, and all sales are coming from women, but you are paying useless money to reach male buyers that doesn't work. So you can remove them and it will save you money. You will learn lots of ways like this to analyze your data here in these modules. Module 13 is how to scale your business. You will not stick with only one budget, right? So once you find the best winning campaign, you will scale your budget. For example, you have created 4 ad campaigns and spend $10 a day per campaign, and after 4 days, you made 3 sales from 1 campaign. Once you analyze your losing campaign, you will stick with the campaign that makes sales for you. So, if your budget is $10 per day for 1 campaign, then you need to increase your budget to $20 per day, and if you see good results, then increase more day by day. You'll learn more about this in Module 13. Module 14 reviews all the tasks we've completed. This module shows us what to do next for a 6-figure income. So you can visit the events section on our dashboard, where you can see the inner circle, and you can visit weekly training where John uploads very interesting training videos every day. You can also see the bonus section where you can see tons of information and case studies. The resources section offers done-for-you pre-sale pages, best affiliate networks, ad swipes, and advice on what to do if your ads account is suspended. So this is it, guys. I put the Super Affiliate System link in the video description below. Once you access it through my link, email me at support@easyprofitformula.com for my personal bonuses, and we'll work together. If you love this video, then like or share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you luck!